Welcome to this tutorial on creating an AI-powered chatbot using Latenode, an affordable alternative to platforms like Intercom. If you've been looking for a way to automate customer interactions without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through a scenario that lets you build a smart chatbot for your website, capable of understanding and responding to customer queries in real time. This solution combines the power of OpenAI's GPT model with a user-friendly chat interface, all orchestrated through Latenode's automation platform. First, we'll set up the chat interface on our website using Chatbot, an open-source customer engagement platform. It's free and easy to implement. We'll create a widget, add it to our site, and grab the access token we'll need later. Next, we'll head over to OpenAI to create our AI assistant. This is where the magic happens. We'll give it instructions, upload relevant documents, and obtain the API key and assistant ID. Now, the exciting part, building our scenario in Latenode. We'll start by cloning the GPT customer support bot template. This gives us a pre-built workflow that we can customize. We'll set up our variables, including API keys and prompts. These are crucial for connecting all the pieces of our chatbot puzzle. Then we'll configure two webhook triggers. The first creates a conversation thread when a user starts chatting, and the second handles incoming messages. With everything in place, we deploy our scenario, and voila! We now have an AI-powered chatbot ready to assist our website visitors. Imagine a potential customer visiting your e-commerce site late at night. Instead of waiting for business hours, they can immediately get answers about product features, shipping policies, or return processes. Your AI chatbot can handle these queries, providing instant support and potentially turning that visitor into a customer. Or consider a software company using this chatbot to offer 24/7 technical support. Users could troubleshoot common issues or get step-by-step guidance without waiting for a human agent. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you've created this powerful tool without writing a single line of code and at a fraction of the cost of enterprise solutions. That's the power of Latenode, empowering businesses of all sizes to leverage AI and automation in practical, affordable ways. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!